Plow and fish pose have multiple benefits. Aside from helping to regulate your thyroid gland, it also gives a complete stretch to the entire back of the body. Fish pose helps in opening and expanding the chest, shoulders, and throat. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Start lying onto your back. Press the palms into the mat. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift the feet up. And then drop the toes down behind the head. You can bring the palms together, interlock the fingers, and stay here. Feel the chin against the chest. To come out, roll the feet out. Roll the spine back onto the mat. For the counter pose, crossing the legs, dropping the knees down, coming up onto the elbows, lift the chest, and then slide till you can feel the top of the head touching the mat. Very gently, let the top of the head be on the mat. Stay here for a few breaths, opening up the front of the neck. And release.